Welcome to EaSTE Module 3 Unit 5 Training Solution. We will learn grammar learning games activities in our classroom. Welcome to EaSTE.
Enhancing English learning, applying grammar in the classroom. Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into Unit 5, where we explore how learners can effectively apply grammar in the classroom. We'll cover topics like using games, production activities, recycling language points, and the art of correcting errors. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Games for Grammar. Host. Our first focus area is using games to help learners apply grammar. Games are a fantastic way to make learning fun and memorable. They provide an opportunity for learners to apply grammar in a new context. Cut to a classroom clip of students playing a grammar-based game. As you can see, games engage students and help them internalize grammar points. Plus, it's a great memory booster. Segment 2, Production Activities. Transition to a shot of a lesson plan on the whiteboard. Host. Now, let's discuss production activities. These activities should mirror real-life language use. When planning a production activity, consider the lesson's topic, grammar structure, and the need for learners to speak and understand. Show an example lesson plan with a production activity. In our example, the lesson is about kindness to children. To practice using adjectives correctly, we could have students create sentences describing acts of kindness towards children. Segment 3, Recycling Language Points. Transition to a whiteboard with the word recycling written. Host. Recycling language points from previous lessons is another key aspect. Revisiting and using previously taught grammar is essential for retention and practical application. Show an example creative writing exercise. For instance, in this grade 5 lesson, we're revisiting subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, and subject-verb agreement. This reinforces what students have learned and keeps their skills sharp. Segment 4, Correcting Learners' Errors. Transition to a shot of a whiteboard with the word correction written. Host. Now, let's talk about correcting learners' errors. It's important but should be done thoughtfully. Overcorrection can harm students' confidence. Show the pros and cons of correction. Correcting errors is vital, but consider if the point has been covered in the course. Also, timing is crucial. During practice, corrections may be more acceptable, but in a production stage, let them communicate. Segment 5, How to Correct. Host. So, how do we correct? There are various methods, such as echoing the mistake, using error correction charts, or finger correction. These techniques help students realize their errors and encourage them to correct themselves, making the learning process more learner-centered. Conclusion. Return to the classroom setting. Host. In conclusion, helping learners apply grammar effectively involves using games, well-planned production activity,
Like and subscribe our channel so that you can get latest new videos and updates. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.